Hello, thank you for your interest in GiaGPT. GiaGPT is our brand new solution. It is the world's first generative AI solution for finance operations in the order to cash space. We are very excited about what we've been developing and wanted to make this little how-to video to help you in the early days of this product's release. We are, just so you know, in the free beta version of this product. It is going to be evolving. We're going to be adding new features, new commands, new prompts every day, week, month going forward. So as time goes on, you'll get to see this product evolve and do more things, which is very exciting. So to use GiaGPT, obviously you want to go to the Emagia website. You can hit the Explore More button on the banner here that is part of the story. Emagia introduces GiaGPT. You could also get there through the product menu and just go to GiaGPT Digital Finance Analyst. Each will bring you to this page. This page just kind of gives you a rundown of what is encompassed in this product, as well as some important data pieces, as well as your ability to request a demo with an Emagia specialist who can walk you through some of what this can do for you and your company. If you want to take a look at the product itself and skip ahead, you can do so by hitting Try It Now right here. So here on our login page, you'll find a little sign up icon. You'll want to do that your first time here. It'll take about 30 seconds to get in there. Once you get your login and confirm everything, it will bring you here to GiaGPT. As I said, this is the free beta version, so we still have a lot more prompts coming. But one of the things that we made sure to do is for each category, whether credit or collections, disputes, receipts, Emagia order to cash documents, we kind of make sure we have the most suggested prompts to use now as far as what's working best and what's going to give you the best results. So you'll find those down here. Just use the verbiage that we've already picked out, and it'll deliver you the information based on the documents you upload here. In the Your Spreadsheet section, you can put any CSV spreadsheet in here. You can put other documents in PDF format here. And basically how you do that is you go over to this icon, which is the upload icon, click it, then you'll click on the file that you want to use in your own files, and then you'll hit enter, and you'll see whatever number of documents that you pick pop up. Again, this is a good place to talk about how important privacy is. Again, you're not using a public sort of cloud situation here. This is all closed cloud. This is your data. These are your documents. So as far as safety and security of the product, it is very high. Much like online banking or the like. So once you have uploaded your spreadsheet or your document or both, then you can go to these other categories. Like I said, credit, collection, disputes, receipts, and OTC documents. And what you would do is you put in a prompt if you're looking for total number of credit cases, if you want to plot a pie chart and classifying the credit request or the status of requests, top 5 cases, etc. Collections, we have a number of prompt options as well. Again, these are the ones that are going to work best. You want to make a pie chart, you can do that. You want to just find out a number of how many open invoices there are. You want to do that. You'll just go ahead and take the language that's in the prompts that we've prepared for you, and go ahead and put it here in the query circle, such as for example, we'll do a total number of credit cases. You'll go over here and hit enter, and it'll give you that number within a couple of seconds. Outstanding. Or if you want something that's a chart, plot a pie chart on top 5 business type. And there you go. It'll show you breakdown of your top 5. Nice little chart. Copy and paste that into another document and use that at your leisure. Again, just go through and take a look at the prompt language here. Copy and paste it or type it in here. And once you hit enter, the co-pilot that is GiaGPT goes and gets that information from the documents you've uploaded. Very simple to use, very helpful. Will save you hours and hours of time every week. As noted, we will be adding more and more prompts in the coming days and weeks. We're very excited to keep putting more out there. But in the meantime, please enjoy using this free beta version of GiaGPT, and please schedule a full demo with our specialists. We'd love to go over a little more about where the product's going and what you can expect, and what sort of the full GiaGPT experience will be as time goes on. So thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on the website, and we'll get back to you at our earliest convenience. Thank you very much, and enjoy GiaGPT.